I'm Joe with We Improve For You. Thanks so much for filling out our form, and here's what to expect. So you're gonna get a call from 203-893-1165 to schedule your free quote. You're also gonna get a text from 860-891-6933. Respond to whichever one is easier for you. We're gonna help you select the best time for your free quote. We'll have a design consultant come out to help you design your dream shower. And don't forget to ask about our interest-free financing.
While you wait, take a look at some of our recent projects.